In this video, I will show you the demo of using this free downloadable inventory management sheet in Excel created using VBA. First, I'll explain the features and how to use guide, and later I'll provide the instructions on download and set up the software. When you open the downloaded Excel workbook, you'll get this screen. Click on this button to launch the software. This is the main user interface of this inventory tracker and management software. This Item Master button is for entering the inventory item details that you have in your warehouse. Use this from date and to date range to view the transaction for the selected date range in this transaction section. Here you will see the aggregation of purchase value, sales value, stock units, and gross profit value. In the transaction section, you can enter the stock in and out transactions. After the transaction is added, it will be visible in this Show Details section. In this Closing Stock section, you will see the details of balance stock, which auto-updates when a new purchase or sales transaction is made. Let's see the guide on practically using the software. Click on the Item Master button. This opens a new window for entering the Item Master data. Here you can manually enter the item name, purchase price per unit, and selling price per unit, or you can also directly import the data from another Excel workbook. Here in Desktop, I have a workbook that has the Item Master data. Item Master data should be in this format, and it should be in the first sheet of the workbook. Click on this Import from Excel button. Select the workbook by double-clicking. Item Master successfully updated from external Excel file. If you don't have a workbook that has Item Master data, you can manually add it here. Input the item name, purchase price per unit, and selling price per unit, then click on Add button. The newly added item appears here. Close the Item Master. Then in the Closing Balance section, item names are auto-updated. Let's enter a stock and transaction. In the Date field, the current date is auto-given. Click on this calendar icon where you can select previous dates for backdated transactions. Click on Item Name drop-down to select the item. Enter the quantity. Choose Transaction Type. Based on the transaction type selected, price will auto-update. Click on Add button. Record has been added and workbook saved. Let's add few more transactions. Total purchase value, total stock value, and total stock units are automatically calculated, and the stock units are updated in the stock balance section. Gross profit and sales value are 0 because I have not made any stockout transaction. Let's add one stockout transaction. Here you see the sales value and gross profit value is calculated. Look at the stock balance. Stock of television is reduced to 33 units, which is calculated by 36 unit purchase minus 3 unit sales. Let's add one more transaction. The stock of washing machine is negative because I entered sales without any purchase. To delete the mistaken entries, click on the record and click on Delete button. Record has been deleted and there is no more negative stock of washing machine. To modify or edit a record, double-click on the record. The record will populate in the box where you can modify it. Let's change the quantity and click on Update button. And the record gets updated. Let's add here a backdated transaction. The stock in of laptop is not visible here. To see it here, you need to select the From and To Date here. Select 1st of May and From Date, then click on the Refresh button. The older transaction is now visible. To view category-wise transactions, click on the Option buttons. To export the data to Excel sheet, click on Export to Excel button. Similarly, to export closing stock data, click on the Export Excel button. If you have a long list of items, use the search bar to display the matching items based on keyword provided. In the Item Master as well, you can modify or delete a record by using the Update and Delete buttons. Now learn how to free download the software and set it up for the first use. Click on the web page link that is given in video description section below. This web page will be opened in a browser. Scroll down and click on Excel Template Download. It jumps to the template section where you have different free Excel templates. Scroll down, and in the template number 7, you have this Inventory Tracker and Management Excel software. Click on this Download Software button. Choose a disk location and save it. Open the folder location. Software is downloaded in Compressed folder. Right-click on it and click on Extract All, then click on Extract. This is the extracted folder. Open it, right-click on the workbook and click on Properties. In Properties window, click on Unblock option, then click on Apply and OK. Open the workbook. In the first time open, you will see this security warning message. Click on this Enable Content. To launch the software, click on this Open Inventory Tracker and Management button. Now you can start tracking and managing inventory in this dynamic Excel VBA software. Thank you so much for watching this. See you soon in next video.